Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for social science for standard 8, chapter number 1, socio-religious reforms. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, do subscribe it for more videos. Firstly, we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, who was the first torch bearer of socio-religious reforms in the 19th century in India? It's option number C, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Second, who established Brahmo Samaj? It's option number A, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Third one, which Bengali newspaper did Raja Ram Mohan Roy start in 1821 CE? It's option number D, Samvad Kaumudi. Fourth, when was the Brahmo Samaj established? It's option number A, in 1828 CE. Fifth one, who framed the law to abolish sati system in India? It's option number B, Lord William Bentinck. Sixth one, when was the law to abolish the sati system passed? It's option number C, in 1829 CE. Seventh, from whom did Dayanand Saraswati study the philosophy of Hinduism and Mathura? It's option number D, Swami Virajanand. Eighth one, which book did Dayanand Saraswati write? It's option number C, Satyarth Prakash. Ninth, who established the Arya Samaj? It's option number A, Dayanand Saraswati. 10th, who established the Kangdi Gurukul near Haridwar in 1902 CE? It's option number B, Swami Shraddhanand. 11th one, who was the priest at the Kali temple situated at Dakshineshwar near Kolkata? It's option number D, Ramakrishna Paramhans. 12th one, what was Swami Vivekanand's original name? It's option number D, Narendranath. 13th, what was the name of Swami Vivekanand's guru? It's option number A, Ramakrishna. 14, in which city of USA was the Parliament of Religions that Swami Vivekanand attended organized? It's option number A, Chicago. 15th, who established the Ramakrishna Mission? It's option number B, Swami Vivekanand. 16, who established the Muslim College in Aligarh? It's option number A, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. 17th, where was Khalsa College established to impart English and religious education to Sikhs? It's option number D, in Amritsar. 18, due to whose efforts did the British government pass a law in 1891 CE fixing the minimum age for marriage? It's option number A, Behramji Malbari. 19th, who established the Satyashodhak Samaj? It's option number A, Jyotiba Phule. 20th, whose contribution as head of the Akhil Hind Harijan Sangh was valuable for the upliftment of the untouchables? It's option number D, Thakkar Bapa. 21, who established the Panchmahal Bhil Seva Mandal? It's option number A, Thakkar Bapa. Now we'll continue with question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, Raja Ram Mohan Roy started a newspaper named Miratul Akbar in Persian in 1822 CE. Second, Raja Ram Mohan Roy established the Brahmo Samaj. Third, Raja Ram Mohan Roy laid the foundation of Indian Renaissance in the 19th century. Fourth, Dayanand Saraswati was born at Tankara village near Morbi in Saurashtra. Fifth, Swami Dayanand Saraswati wrote the book Satyarth Prakash. Sixth, Swami Dayanand Saraswati established the Arya Samaj. Seventh, Ramakrishna Paramhans was the saint and reformer who sought the truth through all religions. Eighth, Ramakrishna Paramhans was born at Kamarpukur village of Hooghly district in West Bengal. Ninth, Ramakrishna Paramhans was a priest at the Kali temple at Dakshineshwar near Kolkata. 10th, Ramakrishna Paramhans was Swami Vivekanand's guru. 11th, Swami Vivekanand attended the Parliament of the Religions organized at Chicago, USA. 12th, the two leaders Haji Shariatullah and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan started the Wahhabi movement in India. 13th, Shariatullah and Syed Ahmad Khan were motivated by the preaching of the religious leader Shah Waliullah of Delhi. 14th, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan started the social magazine Tehzeeb-ul-Akhlaq in 1870 CE. 15. The Parsi youngster who had acquired English education established Rehnuma-e Masjid-e-Asn in 1851 CE. 16th, the Rehnuma-e Masjid Sabha started a periodical named Rashta Guftar. 17th, in 1891 CE, the British government framed a law fixing the minimum age for marriage due to the efforts of Behramji Malbari. 18. Jyotiba Phule was a well-known social reformer of Maharashtra. 19. Jyotiba Phule established the Satyashodhak Samaj in 1873 CE. 20. The Akhil Hind Harijan Sangh was established by Gandhiji. 21. Thakkar Bapa was born in Bhavnagar. 22. Thakkar Bapa established the Panchmahal Bhel Seva Mandal. 23. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was born in Radhanagar village. 24. Law abolishing sati system, that is Pratha, was framed by Lord William Bentinck. 25. Dayanand Saraswati wrote a book named Satyarth Prakash. 26. The name of Swami Vivekananda's guru was Ramakrishna Paramhans. 27. The Rehnuma A. Mazdayasan Institute started a periodical named Rashtra Goftar. Now we'll continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, Rajaram Mohan Roy started a revolution in support of the sati system. It is false. Second, Dayanand Saraswati left his home in order to search for truth. It is true. Third, Ramakrishna Paramhans was interested in religious activities from his childhood. It is true. Fourth, Rajaram Mohan Roy established the Arya Samaj. It is false. Fifth, Swami Vivekanand was a true devotee of Indian culture as well as a staunch patriot. It is true. Sixth, Sayyid Ahmad Khan established a Muslim college in Aligarh. It is false. Seventh, Parsi leader K.R. Kama emphasized on women empowerment. It is false. 8. Jyotiba Phule was a famous social reformer of Gujarat. It is false. Now we'll continue with question number 4. True. Answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, who initiated social and religious and political reforms for the first time in India in the 19th century? Rajaram Mohan Roy initiated social and religious and political reforms for the first time in India in the 19th century. Second one, where and when was Rajaram Mohan Roy born? Rajaram Mohan Roy was born in the year 1772 CE in the Hooghly district of Bengal in Radhanagar village. Third one, against which evils did Rajaram Mohan Roy protest strongly? Sati, child marriage, casteism, Dudhpiti, denial of widow remarriage, etc. were the evils for which Rajaram Mohan Roy protested strongly. Fourth one, which changes did Rajaram Mohan Roy recommend to the British government? He recommended many changes to the British government like the independence of press, freedom of speech, women's rights, personal liberty, judiciary independent from executive, etc. Fifth one, who framed the law to abolish sati system when? Lord William Bentinck in the year 1829 CE framed the law to abolish sati system. Sixth one, where was Swami Dayanand Saraswati born? Dayanand Saraswati was born in a Brahmin family in Tankara village near Morbi in Saurashtra. Seventh one, what advice did Swami Dayanand Saraswati give to people? Go back to Vedas was the advice given by Swami Dayanand to the people. Eighth one, when and which Gurukul did Swami Shraddhanand established? So in the year 1902 CE, Kangdi Gurukul near Haridwar was established by Swami Shraddhanand. Ninth one, where was Ramakrishna Paramhans born? Ramakrishna Paramhans was born in Kamarpukur village of Hooghly district in Bengal. 10th one, what advice did Swami Vivekananda give to Indians? Swami Vivekananda advised people to serve the poor and look for God in needy people. 11th one, what effect did Swami Vivekananda have on Indian youth? Swami Vivekananda imbibed pride for our rich cultural heritage and faith in a bright future in the Indian youngsters. 12th one, which legendary slogan did Swami Vivekananda give to Indians? Arise, awake and not stop till the goal is achieved was the legendary slogan given by Swami Vivekananda to Indians. 13th one, who established the Ramakrishna Mission, when and where? Swami Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna Mission in Kolkata in the year 1897 CE in the name of his Guru. 14th one, which ideal and slogan did Ramakrishna Mission follow? Service to man is service to God was the ideal and slogan followed by Ramakrishna Mission. 15th one, who tried to bring about awakening in Muslim society for the first time in the 19th century? Haji Shariatullah from Bengal and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan from Rai Bareli in Uttar Pradesh tried to bring about awakening in Muslim society for the first time in the 19th century. 16th one, who started the Wahhabi revolution in India? Haji Shariatullah from Bengal and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan from Rai Bareli in Uttar Pradesh started the Wahhabi revolution in India. 17th one, who established a Muslim college in Aligarh, when and why? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1875, to enable Muslims to get higher education, established a Muslim college in Aligarh. 18th one, why was the Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Samiti established? The Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Samiti was established to reorganize the religious practices and remove the evil practices from the Gurudwaras. 19th one, who did the work of religious and social reforms in the Parsi community? K.R. Kama and Behramji Malbari did the work of religious and social reforms in the Parsi community. 20. When and where was Amrutlal Thakkar born? Amrutlal Thakkar was born in 1869 CE in the city of Bhavnagar. Now we'll continue with question number 5. Match the following. First one, Brahmo Samaj, it's option number 5, Rajaram Mohan Roy. Second one, Arya Samaj, it's option number 1, Dayanand Saraswati. Third one, Ramakrishna Mission, it's option number 4, Swami Vivekanand. Fourth one, Wahhabi Movement, it's option number 3, Syed Ahmad Khan and Shariatullah. Fifth one, Panch Mahal Bel Seva Mandal, it's option number 2, Thakkar Bapa. Now the second part of match the following. First one, Rajaram Mohan Roy, it's option number 3, revolted against the sati system. Second, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, it's option number 5, gave the advice of go back to Vedas. Third one, Swami Vivekanand, it's option number 6, established the Ramakrishna Mission. Fourth one, Ramakrishna Paramhans, it's option number 2, a saint and a reformer. Third one, Behramji Malbari, it's option number 1, helped in framing the law against child marriage. Now question number 6, give historical reasons for each of the following sentences. First one, Lord William Bentinck framed a law abolishing the sati system. The first social reformer, Rajaram Mohan Roy, started an aggressive protest against the sati system and requested the British government to frame a law banning this evil practice. Therefore, Lord William Bentinck framed a law banning the sati system. Second one, Swami Dayanand Saraswati advised the people to go back to the Vedas. Swami Dayanand Saraswati had studied the Vedas and other religious books in great depth to search for enlightenment and truth. He realized the greatness of Indian religion and culture as depicted in the Vedas. Therefore, he advised the people to go back to the Vedas. Third one, Swami Vivekanand established the Ramakrishna Mission. Following the advice of his guru, Swami Vivekanand established the Ramakrishna Mission to serve the poor and the needy. Fourth one, Thakkar Bapa established the Panch Mahal Bhil Seva Mandal. Thakkar Bapa established the Panch Mahal Bhil Seva Mandal and tried to reform the lives of the Bhils who inhabited the deep forests and the hilly areas of the Panch Mahal region. Now we'll continue with question number 7. Answer the questions given below. First one, which evil customs were prevalent in our society before independence? Indian society was infested with various social evils like superstition, illiteracy, ignorance, evil social customs, caste system, etc. The condition of women was worst in this narrow-minded society. Various evil customs were widespread in our society, like the custom of Doodh Piti, sati system, denial of widow remarriage, etc. Second question, who established the Arya Samaj? In which states were its branches established? Which activities were carried out by the Arya Samaj for the upliftment of society? Dayanand Saraswati established Arya Samaj in 1875 CE, branches of which were established in Lahore, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. The Arya Samaj was doing the following activities for society: girl education, widow remarriage, intercaste marriages, abolishing untouchability, etc. The purification drive was conducted to bring Hindus who had changed their religion back into the Hindu religion. Established gurukuls, schools, girls schools, homes for widows, orphanages and hospitals at many places. Third question, which works were done for the upliftment of society by the Ramakrishna Mission? Swami Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna Mission in Kolkata in the year 1897 CE in the name of his guru. It has its headquarters at Belur. This mission adopted the ideals of service to mankind through various works. The mission followed the slogan Service to man is service to God by gaining motivation from the life of Ramakrishna Paramhans. This mission opened schools across the nation for imparting education. Hospitals were run by the mission to help the people in need. Even today, the branches of the mission are functional in India and abroad. Fourth one, how did Thakkar Bapa and his followers contribute to the social reforms in Gujarat? Thakkar Bapa established the Panchmahal Bhil Seva Mandal and tried to reform the lives of the Bhils who inhabited the deep forests and the hilly areas of the Panchmahal region. Thakkar Bapa and his followers freed the Bhils from the addiction of alcohol, other evil customs, and superstitions. He opened schools for the Bhil children. He taught them how to operate a spinning wheel to produce khadi and involve them in small cottage industries. Now we'll continue with question number 8. Write a short note on the following characters. First one is Swami Vivekanand. A Bengali graduate named Narendranath Dutt 1863 to 1902 CE came into contact with Ramakrishna Paramhans who reciprocated his quest for knowledge. Narendra became a disciple of Ramakrishna and became an ascetic later acquiring the name Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand advised people to serve the poor and look for God in needy people. He attended the Parliament of the Religions in Chicago in the United States in the year 1893 CE. He gave the legendary slogan to the Indians, "Arise, awake, and stop, not till the goal is achieved." Swami Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna Mission in Kolkata in the year 1897. Second one is Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule was well-known social reformer of Maharashtra. He started a school for girls in Pune in 1857 CE. He helped the widows to remarry. He challenged the authority of the Brahmins in the society. He established the Satya Shodhak Samaj in order to inculcate confidence, courage, and enthusiasm in people. Third one is Thakkar Bapa. Amrutlal Thakkar, popularly known as Thakkar Bapa, was born in 1869 CE in the city of Bhavnagar. He remained a dutiful and devoted servant of the people throughout his life. He was an engineer who left his lucrative job to serve the downtrodden and marginalized people after being inspired by Gandhiji. And here we come to the end of the chapter number 1, that is socio-religious reforms. I hope you have understood the whole chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.